Hi Libras, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Let's see what's coming up, Libras. We'll be picking few cards as usual, guys, for your daily energy, for your career situation, and your love energy, Libras. So these are for your daily energies, guys. This is for your career situation and this is for your love energy, and I will also be picking one card from the angel guidance deck, guys. So we will turn these cards as we proceed into the reading, Libra. So for your daily energies, first it's 4 of cups, 9 of pentacles, and page of swords in reverse. So with these cards, guys, in your situation today, you are seeing some offers and opportunities coming your way, but you are immersed in your stressful situation or anxieties or some concerns that you have within yourself, and you are not seeing those offers or opportunities coming your way. You are not aware, and you may be seeing some unforeseen circumstance, guys. So it may be in your career, something out of the blue. It may be coming towards you. Maybe some bad changes, some negative changes in your career, or it may be some positive changes in your career or something in your personal life, guys. So something is going to surprise you. That is what I see with this card, guys. But for the most of you, it may be something good because this is the middle card, guys, and this card stands for that emotional satisfaction and fulfillment. So I see here that you may be happy in your situation. You have that contentment and fulfillment today. So it may be something happy. So some kind of good news may surprise you today, Libras. That is what I see with these cards in your situation today, guys. It may be relating to your career situation or personal life. So what is the card for your career situation? It's 4 of swords in reverse. So with this card in your career situation, you are something positive is coming your way, but you have to exercise that caution, precautionary act you have to go for. So whatever path you choose, you have to go with that deep thought and clarity. So when you have that wise administration of your affairs, you will reach success. That is what I see with this card, guys. So you have to have that clarity and knowledge in your situation, in your career affairs. So that is what this card is about. So what is the card for your relationship, Libras? It's page of wands in reverse. So this card may relate to your career, sorry guys, this may relate to your situation or your person's situation, guys. So they are coming with some kind of announcements, some positive announcements, maybe for some of you. Maybe for some of you it may be something bad, guys. That is also what I see. So they may come with the surprise, they may come with gifts. For some of you want to propose to you. That may be the reason for this card, happiness and that emotional fulfillment today. So that is the reading with these cards, Libra. So let us see what is the angel guidance card for you all today. Withdraw. So this card may or may not relate to our situation, but it is a general guidance, guys. So if we follow that guidance, it will change things for the better. So this card does not mean a breakup or isolation. It just means that we have to have a different perception in our situation. So when we see our situation with a different perception, we will see it with a better clarity, and we will know what action we should take to reach that success in life, in our career or in our personal life. So that is the guidance with this card, Libras, and that is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching this video. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye guys.